Welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to dive into our top 5 AI chatbots. We'll examine their unique features, strengths, and potential applications. Let's start with Gemini, Google's latest offering in the AI chatbot arena. Gemini, formerly known as Bard, is Google's powerful multimodal AI model. It's designed to understand and process various types of information, including text, audio, images, and videos. This versatility makes Gemini a strong contender in the AI chatbot market. Key features of Gemini include integration with Google's suite of products, including Gmail, Google Docs, and YouTube, real-time web information access, the ability to generate and understand images, and lastly, a conversational style that feels more natural than some competitors. Gemini is available for free to Android users, with plans to expand to iOS. For those seeking advanced features, there's a Gemini Advanced, available as part of the Google One AI Premium plan for $20 per month. One of Gemini's standout features is its long conversation memory, which allows for deep contextual understanding. This makes it particularly useful for extended interactions and complex problem-solving tasks. However, it's worth noting that Gemini has faced some controversies, particularly regarding image generation and potential biases. As with all AI tools, users should approach its outputs critically and verify important information. Next, let's look at ChatGPT, one of the most well-known AI chatbots on our list. Developed by OpenAI, ChatGPT has become synonymous with conversational AI since its launch in November 2022. It's known for its impressive language understanding and generation capabilities. ChatGPT's key features include advanced writing capabilities for emails, essays, and creative content, proficiency in STEM tasks, including coding and math problem solving, web browsing capabilities in newer versions, and the ability to analyze data and handle file uploads. ChatGPT has both free and paid versions. The free version is accessible without login, making it super easy to use. ChatGPT Plus, which is the paid version, offers more features and access to more advanced models. ChatGPT's strength is its flexibility. It can work on tasks across a wide range of disciplines with impressive accuracy. However, users should always fact-check it, as it can sometimes produce confident-sounding but incorrect information. Grock AI, developed by Elon Musk's xAI, is a newer entrant to the AI chatbot scene. While specific details about Grock are more limited compared to some other chatbots, it's known for its real-time access to information and its somewhat irreverent personality. Grock is designed to provide witty and occasionally sarcastic responses, setting it apart from more formal AI assistants. Key features of Grock AI include real-time information access, a unique, playful personality, and integration with X, formerly Twitter, for up-to-date information. Grock is currently available to X Premium Plus subscribers, which costs $16 per month. It's worth noting that as a newer chatbot, Grock may still be developing and refining its capabilities. Now let's talk about Perplexity. This AI offers a unique approach by combining AI chatbot capabilities with search engine functionality. Key features of Perplexity include integration of AI conversation with web search results, citation of sources which enhances transparency and credibility, and a strong focus on research and fact-checking. Perplexity is available in both free and pro versions, with the Pro version costing $20 per month. Its combination of AI conversation and search functionality makes it particularly useful for research tasks and fact-finding missions. One of Perplexity's strengths is its ability to provide sourced information, allowing users to verify the chatbot's claims easily. This makes it a valuable tool for those who prioritize accuracy and transparency in their AI interactions. Finally, let's look at UChat, an AI chatbot that aims to provide a more interactive search experience. UChat combines Google search capabilities with an AI chatbot interface. This integration allows for a more conversational approach to web searching, potentially making complex queries more intuitive. Key features of UChat include integration with Google Search, conversational interface for search queries, and free access for users. UChat's strength lies in its ability to make web searching more interactive and potentially more user-friendly, especially for those who prefer a conversational approach to finding information online. This brings us to the end of our video. Each of these AI chatbots brings something unique to the table. Gemini offers powerful, multimodal capabilities and deep Google integration. ChatGPT provides versatile language skills and a wide range of applications. Grock brings a unique personality to AI interactions. Perplexity combines AI, chat with robust search functionality. And UChat offers a conversational approach to web searching. The choice between these chatbots will depend on your specific needs, whether that's creative writing, research, coding assistance, or simply exploring the capabilities of AI. Always approach AI outputs critically, verify important information, and use these tools as aids rather than definitive sources. As AI technology continues to evolve rapidly, we can expect these chatbots to become even more sophisticated and useful in the future. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.